I have the Samsung Galaxy S22 right here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to boot this device into the special boot mode known as download mode. This will also work for the Galaxy S22 Plus, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the Galaxy S22 FE that Samsung has yet to release. Now, we access this special boot mode for a number of different reasons, but most of us will want to boot into download mode so that we can flash firmware files via the PC program called hten. Others may want to access this special boot mode for the information that is displayed on the screen, but whatever your reasons, you can follow along with me in this video and I'll help you to get your Galaxy S22 booted into download mode and also show you how to exit this special boot mode as well. To start, we're going to need to find a USB cable, and then we're going to need to plug this cable into our PC. We are going to be plugging this end of the cable into our phone, but we're not going to do that just yet. When you are ready with your USB cable though, we can then go ahead and power off the phone. Now, even after you see the screen go black, it's best to wait a few seconds for it to completely power down. With that done, our next step is going to be pressing and holding both volume buttons during the boot process. So hold the phone in a way that is comfortable for you, and then press and hold both the volume up and the volume down buttons as I am right now. While I am holding these volume buttons down, we're then going to connect our USB cable to the Galaxy S22, and we're going to wait a few seconds for the screen to flash and this screen to appear. Once you see this screen appear, we can go ahead and disconnect that USB cable, and we are able to bypass this splash screen. This is just a warning screen to get us into download mode. We can bypass this by simply just pressing the volume up button. You can see that's going to take us into another screen with the same color, but this is actually what is known as download mode. Now, once you see the big down arrow icon right here, that means your Galaxy S22, your Galaxy S22 Plus, or your Galaxy S22 Ultra is currently booted into download mode. This is where we would open up hten on our PC, make sure our USB cable is connected to the phone because hten needs that, and then we can manually flash files with that program. However, as mentioned, sometimes we just need to access some information on the screen. So sometimes the USB cable is no longer needed, and that is why I unplugged it right here. Now, once you are done with this special boot mode and you want to boot back into Android, we can do that by following the instructions on this screen. So we can force the device to reboot by pressing and holding the volume down button and the side key, aka the power button, for about 10 seconds. So I'm going to press these two buttons now, and we're just going to continue holding these two buttons down, again, about 7 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black. And once that happens, we can let go of those two buttons, and we can wait for the Galaxy S22 to reboot back into Android like normal. So that wraps up my tutorial showing you how to access download mode on your Galaxy S22 series smartphone. I've also covered how to exit download mode for anyone who has accidentally booted into that special boot mode. Seeing as though it does require a USB cable, it's very rare that people are going to accidentally boot into download mode. However, again, this is how you can boot into it and how to boot out of it with the Galaxy S22, the Galaxy S22 Plus, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra.